Good day, my beautiful viewers, my peaceful ones. I hope you're well. I'm well as well. I am happy to come back to talk to you as well. And my answer today about the question that people usually ask, do people actually make money online? Do people make money on YouTube? Yes, they do. But YouTube is not actually the main source that people get money from. You can get little money from YouTube, but even that little money that you can specifically get from YouTube can only be gotten when you have up to 1,000 subscribers on your channel. And not only that, but you will have to have up to 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Literally, that means in a year you expected to have up to 4,000 watch hours complete to be able to get little money from the advertisements that are being shown on your YouTube channel. Like usually when I'm watching movies or when I'm watching anything, I see advertisements. So from those advertisements you see as well, you will get a little commission from those ones. If you're a YouTuber and you have a YouTube channel and your channel is already monetized, and to get monetized you can only those are the prerequisites. So people still get money on YouTube, but through other different ways to promote other people's products and to promote other people's companies, being an affiliate in the literal word. And I have posted a video before now on how to become an affiliate, how you can be able to promote other people's businesses. You can check it out in on my channel and find more about what to do so that you can be able to get some money on YouTube. And it's a very good thing. I wish you the best. I wish that you get all the knowledge that you required in that video. And I promise to post more that it will be able to help you to get yourself detailed information that you can use to help yourself in this pandemic. I wish you the best and good luck. Thank you. Bye.